Going on YouTube? Bum in a Suit here. Come back after a little vacation. Come back with another box break. Rookies and Stars 2011. Just gonna pull them all out. Let's set them up front here. Empty box there. Alright guys, good luck everybody. Little vacation. There's a Chad Henne base card. Got a rookie of Darrell Jernigan, not numbered. Trod Taylor. Gotta show this base card for Foxborough. And we'll Chad Henne base. Should get that graded. Pack 2, first pack was just nothing but really base. Got a Colin Kaepernick, just a Rookie Revolutions card, not numbered. I'll show you guys real quick. It's not numbered or nothing, just a insert. That one's a fatty. We'll wait on that one. That one's a fatty too. The two fatties we'll hold off for a second. There's a Blaine Gabbert rookie card, number to 500. Just a insert, studio rookie insert, Blaine Gabbert. Got a longevity for the Giants of Ahmad Bradshaw. It's number to 249. 84, 249. There's another thick one. Some of these are fat. This is the first time I've opened this product, so. Got another longevity for the Panthers, D'Angelo Williams, number to number to 250. Sorry, number 61 to 250. Here's the studio rookies, Julio Jones and Mark Ingram, number to 500. Jones, Mark Ingram. Forgot about Julio Jones for the Falcons. He's actually a pretty decent player. And that was all base. Nothing. Yeah, some of these are just so fat. We're just going to end up opening one here in a second. See what we get. Yeah, we got a hot. This is all base. Nothing. There's one of the fat ones. It's weird. Some of these have. Yeah, some of these have. That's all base. Just a. Some of them do and some of them don't. I guess that's the deter the pack searchers. Alright, we got a hit in here. I'll slow roll it for you guys. Alright, here we go. Good luck. First hit. Gonna be a dual. Dual jersey. Who is that? Chargers and nope. Chargers. Jordan Todman and Vincent Brown. Is that who that is? Yep. Jordan Todman and Vincent Brown dual jersey for the Chargers. Number to 299. Show that for you again. Nice looking dual jersey for the Chargers. I think that was a trade. And this one's going to be all base. Yep. Another all base. Worth at least 13 cents. Might be able to get $2 out of that, man. This is another going to be all base, I can tell. All base. Alright, got a hit in here. Alright, good luck guys, second hit. It's gonna go sideways here. Let's go this way. The rookie, I think it's gonna be a rookie patch. Oh, nice for the Patriots. Rookie patch of Ryan Mallett. Nice one. I was saying the other day in Chad's room, he's got a nice autograph. It's numbered 7, 299. It's a nice looking card, man. That was a nice hit. Ryan Mallett patch auto, numbered 7, 299. I don't know who had the Patriots, but that was a good one. So congratulations to Patriots there. Nice hit. There you go, Tay, 4877. Nice hit there. Got a longevity of Jordy Nelson, numbered to 99 for the Packers. Still looking for 2 hits. Should look for another jersey or patch and then an autograph. It's going to be all base. Oh, got a redemption. Little redemption action there. Check that in a minute here. Finish these here. It's going to be a thin signature, obviously. Redemption. I don't think they would do a redemption patch here. That's nothing but base. Got a longevity of Ahmad Black, numbered 6 of 25 for the Bucks. 6 of 25, Ahmad Black. Nothing but base. I still got 3 packs here, sorry. We're kind of fatter. There's going to be a hit in there, so we'll save that one. These are all dummy cards in here. It's all base. No, we're going to go through the redemption and then we'll do the other hit. I just want to get through these and then we'll pull out the checklist here because I don't know who he is. It's going to be the last pack. Besides the one that was the hit here. You got this pack that's a hit in there. That's all base. Alright, so the redemption is a Rookies Holofoil Signatures. Card number 226. 226. Not bad. Prince Akumura. I can't even say his name. Akumura. Prince Akumura. Who's he play for? That's not the Giants, is it? The Giants. Rookie Holofoil Signatures. Number 226. There you go. I think it is the Giants. Prince Akumura. He's a pretty good player. Alright, Giants on there. So congratulations to the Giants on that one. And this is our last hit right here. This should be our patch, if I'm not mistaken. Good luck. Gonna be a patch for the Bills, and the Bills were traded out at the last second. Ooh, nice. There you go. Bills did get a hit after all. They were traded out at the last minute. 2-color Lee Evans. Actually, it's 3 colors. Excuse me. It's 3 colors. It is a nice looking patch, actually. Number 89 of 99. I don't know if I can catch those 3 colors in there or not. There is 3 colors in there. A little tip of white and then red and blue there. So that's pretty nice for the Bills. That's box 1. Not a bad box, actually. Come back a couple more boxes. I'm going to suit out.